Are you curious about the world of currency trading? Look no further. Welcome to the exciting and dynamic world of Forex. In Forex, traders buy and sell different currencies simultaneously. Imagine it like a game of musical chairs. As one currency rises in value, another falls. For example, you might buy the euro while selling the US dollar, or vice versa. These trades are made through banks, brokers, or dealers and are typically done in pairs, such as the euro and US dollar, EUR, USD, or the US dollar and Japanese yen, USD, JPY. But here's the twist. You're not actually buying a tangible product when you trade Forex. Instead, think of it as buying a share in a particular country. For instance, when you buy US dollars, you're essentially investing in the health of the US economy. A currency's value reflects the market's view of the current and future state of that country's economy. Political stability, inflation, and interest rates all play a role in determining a currency's value. But the most crucial factor is the economic and political conditions in the issuing country. Unlike other financial markets, the Forex spot market doesn't have a physical location or central exchange. It's considered an over-the-counter or interbank market because it's run through a network of banks and brokers that operate continuously over a 24-hour period. Most Forex trading is done through specific banks or brokers, rather than through a centralized exchange. The US dollar is the most heavily traded currency in the world, involved in about 90% of all transactions. The euro is a close second, making up about 35% of trades. Only about 3% of Forex transactions don't involve either the euro or the US dollar, which shows how dominant these two currencies are in the market. So come on in and join the fun. The Forex market is a thrilling and constantly evolving place to trade. Are you ready to join the action? Start trading today. Join now by clicking the link in description. Also join our Telegram group for daily free trading signals. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for daily videos. And if you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to like the video and follow and like our page. Good luck with your trading journey.